Yo, what's good, people? We back at it again, and yeah, today we're checking out my nine, your 900. Sneakers are cloud, bruh, and yeah, you just released the music video for thing for Power Ranger. You get what I'm saying? No. Thing is, I've seen this track somewhere, but I don't really know the full track. You get what I'm saying? I'm even more so excited for the videos because my 9 goes all out for his videos, but I'm not gonna lie. Should be down 3 hours ago, bruh. 3 hours ago. So it's definitely fresh. Alright, let's see what type of vibe this is gonna be. You get what I'm saying? Let's see. Uman uye ngebhasikili. I-first thing I check out utshona akalichithekanga. Ibhasikili yalandaba. Yazi le mhlolo. Ayi, let's go. Power Ranger. No, this song is weird, man. Because what do I do as I go to Anna? Because I was afraid of such a massive. But I know, man. That's what I told her about cloud. I knew yesterday. Hey, what petty and does that? Go back to center. Send me to give Power Ranger. Man, we kuza. We try umpite mazinyweni. Nguye. Twana uthambani. Hayi, no lwana what power something. Willy Power. Oh, lo nguye crispy anga wangikhona. All right. Simuzi tuthini man. Itrack yilo leli mfana ngakuthola ulamlekile sharp anya kutshela mfana yabo uzahamba ubalance ngemduli ngekho mahambe erodini west uzahamba ukhithika utazakani ngotshwala Nkosi yami cha ngizwe go back to sender Kusengaphenduka i-Power Ranger. I know a lot of us can relate ezwa. Umuntu asakhoni nje. Yazi uma udlula so uzuqhaqhazela uma udlula nje iphaphu nje ukuyilika sto awusezwa kahle ukuthi uthi khwe kancane. Kwesami liyaqeda imali erent lina sithutha. Eish mara ngithi isithutha lami ngenza as in I see you again guys. Ngama Power Ranger for life. Anyway guys, we out.